Petitgrain is believed to have uplifting properties and is used for calming anger and stress. It is commonly used in the skincare industry for acne, oily skin, and as a deodorizing agent. Petitgrain is valued for its ability to reduce pain and spasm in the lower intestines. Its calming qualities makes it a favorite for insomnia. This oil's properties include antidepressant, antiseptic, antispasmodic, deodorant, immune support, antistimulant, tonic, and is sedative for the nervous system. Petitgrain is generally considered non-toxic, non-irritant, and non-sensitizing. Petitgrain is a top note.